So let me show you. Let me see if I have it here. Yes, I have. So let me show you. Let me show you a couple of courses that I have. For example, one course that you can. This one is in Portuguese. Introduction to Mathematical Models in Life Science. It's in Portuguese. I want to launch one in English as well. As you see, it's ranked at highest rate. Let me see this one as well. I want to launch the one in English as well, but it want to be interesting as well. So now let's see which one. I think most of the one that's interesting for you would be the new one. This one that they are new. The other interesting, for example, this one, machine learning in Angular in English. I mean, that course very interesting because it teaches you how to build machine learning using JavaScript. That's innovative biomathematics because biomathematics is about modeling. So if you know how to model, how to create a model, that if you know how to create a model that uses machine learning in JavaScript, that's innovative biomathematics. There is one that I launched as well. This one is in Portuguese. Now this one will not be very interesting for you. Be interesting, but in Portuguese anyway. Regression in Angular. A considerable amount of problems they are about regression. So innovative bioinformatics is about creating your models in such a way that is friendly, that people can use it. For example, I'm going to give an example. Let me see if I have it here. For example, let's see if I have here. It's a project I created. It's called Robodoc. I like fun names. Robodoc. Pronto. I have it. Let me see if I have it here. But that's one example which I teach you. This app here is from this course here. Let me see if I have it here. No, because I don't remember the name. Because I mean I still work on this app, so I don't remember the name of the. Let me see if I have it here. I don't remember the name of the, but I can leave you as a link if you want to see. You want to take a look. Diabetes. Diabetes. Because what I want to show, yes, I don't have it. I don't remember the name. It takes me a little bit, but it's an app that I created using Angular. This one that you see here, this course in machine learning in Angular, teach how to build this app. Not completely. This one is used to identify snakes in Portuguese. How to identify snake artificial intelligence. This one is about how to transfer learning. Recently, if you come here, for example, if you see, for example, here, you come here, for example, this one is all these courses that you saw, they belong to a project I call TensorFlow.js Academy, which is machine learning JavaScript. That's one other way to do innovative biomathematics. That's not the only one, but in general, the idea about innovative biomathematics, that you should create application. It can be Python, it doesn't matter. But I have chosen JavaScript. So if you come here, for example, you're going to see that here there is a project as one example. There are several examples. This one is very interesting because you can predict pneumonia based on machine learning. I think it's free. So you have the normal log, you have the bacterial viral pneumonia. So there are all ways for you to innovate. So the model is able to predict 80% of accuracy. But you may say to me, but that's not new. Yes, that's not new. Innovative mathematics is not about you be academically. It's not about you be academically. It's not about that you be academically innovative in the sense that you publish a paper in Nature. Innovative mathematics is about changing the mindset. So instead of put your publication as a final goal, you start to put the innovation as a final goal, the user as a final goal. So your model does not have to be even perfect to be published, at least not as an application. The idea is behind startup. One of the core idea about of startup is that you should always keep in touch with if the client. I mean, I have a degree in production engineering, so I remember that I did a lot of course about production, about the product engineer, or product development. They have different mindset from startup. They build all the product first, then they launch the product. Startup launch the product as soon as possible. So it doesn't matter the product is perfect. So that's the idea of innovative. One of the strongest background behind innovating in mathematics, my postdoc, which was in the context of startup. So startup, web application, most of the startup they are about web application. So startup, web application, and the bioinformatics, they are what behind innovative biomathematics. So any course could be mine, could be of somebody else on Udemy. I gave you a couple of suggestions. It's how you go on with innovative mathematics. So it would be impossible for me if I try to keep like I may in the future add some example. I already have a course with example. You just have to let me know. I'm going to give a coupon for free if you paid for the course. So I'm going to give you a coupon for free. So I hope that helps you to answer the question of people that keep saying that the course is too generic and so on. The other one complained that the course was like academia. So sometimes it's very hard for you to understand these reviews because they are very contradictory. Uh, so even if I change, most likely I'm going to get all the bad reviews. So that's why I ask you kindly to think a lot about your review. It makes sense if your review talk to me so I can answer your question. So hope you leave a good review and hope we can grow together.